What is up, YouTube? Back in the garage again, different day. XLCH is back on the ground, so we're pretty much ready to light this thing off. Tank's not on it, obviously, and any of the grounds connected to the tank mount here, like this, are not going to work that well because they're just connected to a bolt going through a powder-coated frame. Anyways, gas bottle is set up here. Carb is cleaned and ready to go, and we should be in pretty good shape for another fire on this. Heads are both completely torqued, push rods are readjusted. This bike ran in the last video, you saw it before I ate the paper towel and all the other fun things that happened so far, but we should be in pretty good shape. So I don't know, I think I got about a half hour before I gotta get back over to the shop and get some work done today. So we're gonna try splashing some gas in here and see if this thing lights off. Who knows? Fingers crossed. Down the hatch with fuel. In theory, we shouldn't have any leaks now. Find out. No leaks, but now we're not getting any squirt on the accelerator pump. No fuel going on the accelerator pump. So I thought, preemptively said that. I'm still filling up the bowl. That wasn't completely full yet. I turned the camera off, hit the throttle 2 more times. I did not change anything else. Look at that, gasoline. We're gonna try firing this off. Kyle's gonna be so mad that he didn't get to do it again. I don't know where the choke's gonna want to be on this. Should probably tighten down the spark plugs. Alright, we got gas. We got spark in theory. I didn't recheck anything on there. Let's see if this thing will go. In front of the XLCH, got everything buttoned up, ready to fire up. I gave it a quick start yesterday, but I had buddies coming over and ran out of time because we had a ride to go to. So, had a couple kicks. You'll see that in the previous, well, you saw that. Now it's the next day. I got done doing the U-joints in the truck, got a bunch of other stuff done. We are ready to fire this up. Should work just fine. I know the carb wasn't leaking, so I'm gonna fill up this little gas bottle, get that going into the carburetor, and then Kicker Fest. Wish me luck. Pretty much good to go. I don't know how much is going to work on this mic. If this bike does fire up, give her a couple kicks here and see what happens. XLCH is fired up. I'm letting it warm up a little bit, and then I'm going to re-torque the front head down and the rear head down once it actually warms up and idles. Then I'm going to throw the gas tank on, put some actual gas in the tank. We're going to go for a quick little ride. Got the tank back on. I didn't film it because it's 2 bolts. It's not that complicated. The only goofy thing is I got the coil mounted through the tank mount bolt. So other than that, coil is on, gas tank is on, and I just filled this up with some gasoline. So got a fresh tank in here. Petcock is on off. Clip that to on. Like so. And we got gas flowing through there. So let's take this thing for a quick little rip. It's just me out here, so I can't really film it going away. But we'll get it started and take it off from the end of the driveway. Don't know what the hot sequence is yet, obviously. Oh, oops. Let me tighten down the coil wires. Don't know if that's the only reason why this isn't working, but we'll definitely do something. We are warm here. We got gas. Coil wires help. Nothing broke on the ride up and down the block. I forgot it was right side shift and downshifted with the brake. That was fun. And there we have it. Nice little quick rip. I got a runner and a rider. I still haven't put fork oil in, but we can address that at a later time. So basically pop the caps, fill up the tubes, and this thing is good to go. Finally. Fork fluids and then on to the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll catch you on the next one.